where like, okay, I'll explain it. She like says a word, then I have to say a word, and we have to like repeatedly say words back to each other, but they have to like be related. Like if I said read, she has to say like book. She said book, I have to say like bookmark or something like that. So it has to be like related and like right away. But if someone messes up, they're gonna have 3 rounds, and whoever has the most out of those 3 has to do something. But we don't know exactly what they have to do yet, so we're gonna figure that out later. All right, let's go. Oh, I'll share. Food.
Eat.
Hot dog.
Food.
You already. Okay.
I was gonna say old people because, like, when I think of hot dog, I think of old people just eating them.
All right, just shut up. Like that. All right. Sandbox.
Play.
Sand.
Fun.
Kids.
Ew.
Dirt.
Gross.
People.
Weird.
Disgusting.
Toilet.
Plunger.
Shower.
Curtain.
Floor.
Mat.
Tile.
Sink.
Mirror.
Wall.
Paper.
Towel.
Toilet paper.
What?
Don't make me say the other word.
I don't.
Leg.
Arm.
Head.
Neck.
Hair.
Feet.
Gross deal.
Oh my God,
Say
Haley, you
something?
lost.
No, it was
No,
your
I
turn.
said feet.
I said ew to you.
You're supposed to only say one word, you
Then
idiot.
ew. Go.
You already said you. You can't repeat the words. Yes, you did earlier. You said, I said kids, you said ew.
Oh, whatever.
God, Haley.
I'm already lost.
You can play more though.
We'll do.
We'll do this for real and then fun ones. Okay.
Am I starting? Wait. Picture.
Frame.
Wall.
Art.
Nail.
Hammer.
Toolbox.
Tools.
Dad.
Mom.
Child.
Sister.
Sibling.
Brother. Point that in my face.
My pet.
Hand bony.
What?
Bye. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.